Reese, I got to set up the table of contents. It's really a rough time for me now. I know how to log into Gmetrics. I know how to get all my data, but organizing this notebook is really daunting. I'm struggling, and I need help with this, all right? And also answering it alphabetically. I'm having problems, all right? I know that you have a rubric here. It's got the steps, you know, listed out. You even put the alphabet here for me to follow those steps, you know. Here's how I'm being evaluated, okay? Everyone has been testing. Everyone does this. Everyone logs into the top. Everyone does this. Now, you're either doing continuing your exams, all right where you left off because you set up your notebook. You're taking your next consecutive exam. That's option 1. Here are the steps. And here's option 2. Option 2, you're setting up your notebook and then you're making a table of contents to take your next exam. So you're either up to option 1 or option 2. Everyone does this on a daily basis. This here's the rubric for your notebook, and these are the steps for setting up your notebook along with the alphabet. Now, the reason the alphabet is there is because you're going to alphabetize terms, and you're going to make a table of contents that's page numbered, like this. All right, here's how we do this. How do we get these answers here? So let's say that we just took a test. We're going to go to transcript. All right, after we have clicked on transcript, transcript's right here. Once you click on it, it gives you your test data. So I'm going to scroll down to, let's just say I'm up to this one, Word 365. This is my next test I need to take. This is my score. Here is my all of the questions. List all of these questions right here. List all of these questions right here in your notebook, and then you're going to also list your objectives that you got wrong. So questions, list them. Objectives, list them. Only the red ones. Now, here's the other thing. If you really don't know how to inspect documents, list that as well without, like, you know, if you really feel you didn't know how to do it. But if it's testing, you got it right. List all this stuff and this stuff. Now, after you've listed this stuff, you're going to open up, you can go to Google really quickly. You're going to go to studentportfoliony.com, and you're going to go to curriculum and instruction, and you're going to go down to Microsoft, and you're going to go to support.office.com. Type in, you're going to be in support.office.com, and there's a search bar here. This is for helping you with all your terms now. So you're going to type in Office 365. Oh, Pat fingered it. Office 365. Now on the right, watch how we do this. We're going to go back into our stuff that we didn't get right. Oh, look, managing documents, inserting font, manage lists and tables, all this stuff I didn't get right. I can go to my question. So I don't know how to apply a template, or I don't know how to do my objective. Let's get formatting documents. Let's do that one. Let's copy this. Control C. Go into Office. Control V. Make a little space, and now press enter. And when you step back, wouldn't you know it, here it is. Everything that you need is all listed here. Oh wait, this is a bad link. Let me go back. Hold up. Change the default, all that stuff. This is the list. This is the help button, the help menu right here. Let's say that we didn't know how to insert a picture. Let's say that Office insert picture. Let's get another one from the actual test actually. Let's get another one. Let's get a question that we don't know how to do. Apply a template. You could also copy it here. Control C. After you've copied it, you can go back to Office. You can go back to support.office. Microsoft Support Office. Right here. Control V. Apply template. Office 365. And when you press enter, boom, this tells you how to load a template and how to do everything. When you click it, it comes down, tells you the exact stuff. This is your help menu. I have one more way to get to your help menu. There's one last way to do this right now that Gmetrics currently has. You can also click on question. See all these questions here that are listed right here? Watch this. When you go to question, you can scroll up. You can go to review and resume. And after you've clicked on review and resume, Geometric should open up right away. Oh, cool, thanks. All right, and now you're gonna be able to click on this help thing here if you don't know it, and boom, there's all your answers right there. So now you're going to answer this stuff alphabetically. All right, so this particular one was for creating a continuous section. You will list all of that stuff, apply template, continuous section, all of that listed. Here's how you get the answers here, and you can also go to support.office and get the answers here from support.office.com. Hold on one second, let me get rid of this. To the bottom, all right. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, support.office.com. All right, that's the other way. List all of your terms. After you have listed them, number your pages. Okay, there's this page 2, that's why. Blank. After you've numbered your pages, you have the list here on page 1. Answer your stuff alphabetically, so this way when you take testing, you have a point of reference that's chronologically ordered. Okay? Good luck.